Starting from the Software tab on the Admin dashboard, we can find the link to open the source map modal in the left sidebar. Once we have opened this modal, it may take some time to load, but that is because our API is calling a function to scan hundreds of files in the source code directory. Switching from the tree view, which categorizes our files and provides usage and integration statistics, to the graph view, we can see a complete dependency graph by selecting the entry point, which could be either a server or a script that we want to analyze. Here we can see the complete graph of relationships between our files. In this case, I am scanning the server for the admin panel itself, which is built using our custom Python web framework, which includes the admin layer, which is essentially the backend server, structural layer, which houses our HTML templates for modular code reuse, the data layer, which handles create, retrieve, update, delete operations, backpropagates data to various business databases, and validates that data against defined JSON schemas, and the compute layer, which holds our library of utilities and scripts. The utilities are fundamental abstractions which build the other layers, such as the library for creating HTML templates. Scripts, on the other hand, are for testing unfinished complex features, which have yet to be integrated into the main application. By clicking on a node on our graph, we can see every function associated with the file that node represents, as well as which of those functions is being exported to our main application, and which functions are nested within others. This allows developers to measure code reuse and how changes will impact the application's functionality, paving the way to manual UI/UX integration tests as a prerequisite to pushing features to production environments. We can also see these details for our JavaScript files, which provide dynamic client-side rendering and reactivity. Even anonymous functions are included in the analysis. This is all happening on a single page inside of a modal menu created using Python HTML templates and rendered with JavaScript. We can even see the file that's drawing this graph in the analysis. No redirects, no sales funnel to draw you deeper into the site before blocking your work with a paywall, no crazy directories full of HTML files or JSX files where you can never seem to find your feature or your bug, no node modules folder with hundreds of dependencies where you have no idea what is installed, if it's version locked or your app is going to break while you're developing it because some genius decided to approve a Git pull request from gitpwned69 and cripple the web infrastructure supply chain. Just working, functional, modular design with client-side rendering. If that seems like a value proposition to you, let me know in the comments. Please like and subscribe for more updates on this web framework and other software products I'm building. Thank you.